Hello everybody. In my previous video, I explained to you about the advantages of fever detection cameras. Over the past few weeks, I've been getting a lot of calls and messages from people who wanted to know more about the new thermal cameras. Hence, I decided to make this video. Hi, my name is Sibin and I'm the proprietor of Trinity Computer Solutions. Today, I would like to cover a few points on frequently asked questions about these thermal cameras, which I feel might help all of you. Veena is going to be the voiceover for my questions, and here we have our first question.
What is a thermal camera?
Thermal cameras are used to detect surface temperature of any substance, be it metals, objects, liquids, or even humans. They detect temperature by recognizing and capturing different levels of infrared light emitted by the surface of the object. Let's hear the next question.
Are these thermal cameras a new technology?
Thermal cameras have been used for more than 50 years in defense and research sectors by the developed countries, and also used in military and research fields. Commercially, it's been available in the market for more than 3 to 4 years. Let's hear the next question.
Is there a difference between the thermal cameras and the new fever detection cameras that are being used now?
The regular thermal cameras are used in industries to detect temperatures of objects or substances, especially in research fields, as I told, like oil and gas industries and defense sectors. They have capacity to detect temperature difference of a place, to detect human or animal movement in restricted zone, and also to detect and prevent fire hazards. However, the new fever detection cameras are specifically designed to detect human temperature only. They do not have or they do not detect temperature of any objects. They are built with artificial intelligence to recognize human faces and detects the skin temperature. Let's hear the next question.
How expensive are these fever detection cameras?
Since they have a thermal lens and an optical lens, and to get hold of a branded one with warranty and good accuracy, you need to invest anywhere between 1.5 to 5 lakhs. Let's hear the next question.
Who needs these fever detection thermal cameras?
This is not an investment for individual companies or shops or residences, but for places which have huge number of footfalls. Like I previously told, it's basically used in tech parks, hospitals, shopping malls, multiplexes and supermarkets, mega stores like Big Bazaar, More, Reliance, Walmart, metro shops, D-Mart and others, along with the public places like bus stands, metro stations, airports, railway stations, etc. They need to adapt this technology. Let's hear the next one.
Can we identify COVID-19 carriers 100%?
Not really, because in India, as per the medical records, close to 60% to 80% are asymptomatic, which means they do not have COVID-19 symptoms. Also, high fever or increase in body temperature is not the only condition to know if a person is infected with COVID-19 virus. We can only take precautions. We cannot eliminate this with the use of these cameras. Let's go to the next one.
Why do we need to purchase these thermal cameras?
Remember, just one case of COVID-19 can seal down the entire place. You need to invest because it is one of the procedures which you need to follow regularly as part of the customer checking process. So it's not a short-term investment. And if you find someone has fever through thermal imaging, then you can at least isolate them and the spread of the virus can be avoided. You can avoid at least 20% to 40% of infection spreading to others, because some people may come with fever as they feel it could be regular fever. Also imagine you're following the procedure of measuring temperature using the handheld or the gun thermometer. How many % can you measure using a normal thermometer or even using an infrared thermometer? Because someone has to stand all the day long with these thermometers to scan all the individuals coming in. And during peak hours, there can be around 300 to 500 people coming in and it becomes chaos. You are risking your business and your valuable customers without proper safety measures or hygiene checks. Let's go to the next one.
We have heard a lot of drawbacks about using these cameras. Are they true?
The major drawbacks of using these cameras are, unlike regular cameras, you cannot put these cameras outside or where sunlight falls. you need to put it in lobbies or inside a building. Room temperature needs to be maintained at an average of 25 degrees. And people coming directly from the sun needs to wait for their body temperatures to cool down and then pass through the thermal sensors. Only then we will have accuracy. Let's go to the next one.
We hear about new vaccines getting ready for COVID-19. So do we need to invest in these cameras just for a couple of months?
This is a question which a lot of them have. Even if there is a vaccine, it's not something which is going to get eradicated all of a sudden in a day or two. It may take months and years for everyone to get vaccinated. The person with fever may carry a COVID-19 virus or a H1N1 virus or a dengue or typhoid or any of those diseases. At least by monitoring, you can avoid and isolate individuals who are infected. And COVID-19 is not something which is going to be here temporarily. It will keep on coming again and again. And health safety is a primary precaution and something which we have to keep monitoring at all times from now on. Now, these were a few frequently asked questions about the new thermal cameras, and I thank Veena for sharing those questions. We hope you found it helpful. Let us know your thoughts on the above video and drop us a comment if you have any questions which are not answered. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. This is Sibin signing off. See you in my next video. Thank you.